Hi guys, from Barbara and welcome to my ketogenic channel. Today I'm wearing this weird dress because soon it will be Halloween, so we must be prepared. Let's go to the kitchen and let's prepare a dish inspired by this scary and spooky time. Today we are going to prepare an amazing Dalgona chocolate. If you remember, we already did the Dalgona coffee and was an epic success. So to prepare this other Dalgona, we need some unsweetened almond milk, 2 tablespoons of water, 2 tablespoons of unsweetened cacao powder, 2 teaspoons, but you can also put 3. I like not too sweet of sweetener and I use erythritol, a little vanilla extract, 4 tablespoons of heavy cream, and finally powdered cinnamon.
Help me get into the shower.
Let's start by mixing our granulated erythritol together with the dark cocoa and the water. I suggest you to do it by hand because with an electric mixer you will have brown powder all over your kitchen. So try to get the cocoa wet before using the mixer. And our vanilla extract can help too because it is liquid. You can definitely use vanilla flavor or vanilla seeds too, but for this recipe I prefer the extract. But the biggest help comes from heavy cream, so add it too. It is the normal cream, the fresh one that you find in any supermarket. It has between 35 and 40% of fat, so it is really a ketogenic ingredient. And it's delicious too. Another great property of heavy cream is that you can whip it. So our Dalgona chocolate will become deliciously fluffy. But to do it, I highly recommend to use a mixer. Once, while traveling, not having it, I decided to whip my cream by hand. But I can tell you that it is a hard job, and I needed my 20-year-old son for helping me. He has very strong arms, and I couldn't do it by myself. Look how beautiful it is. You could put it in the fridge and eat it as a gelato too. But talking about chocolate, I want to highly recommend you, as usual, to read the label. As you know, chocolate can be very high in carbs. So when you buy the cocoa for this recipe, check it. My cocoa has 12.4% of carbs. It's a good amount, but we use a small doses, so it's okay. I couldn't find lower ones. If you do, please tell me which brand you found, and it will be really useful to know the carbs. But 12.4, I can tell you that is good. As you probably already noticed, I had some problem with the camera. I use my phone, I'm here by myself, so I didn't notice that the image was blurry. So I will tell you what I'm going to do, even if you don't see it very well, and I deeply apologize for that. I put the almond milk and our chocolate mix on top, and that's it. So it's really an easy, super easy, but super delicious recipe, and I hope you will like it anyway. To make it perfect for this season, I added some cinnamon on top, and I enjoyed this delicious snack together with tiramisù truffles. If you don't remember the recipe, I will put the link up here, down below, and at the end of this video, because they were really spectacular. But if you have any other ketogenic idea, please write them below, because I really love receiving new recipes. And if you like it too, please keep watching this video till the end, because instead of walking around Stockholm this time, I put many ideas for a keto Halloween, taken from my Instagram account. So be ready to get scared. I really I hope you like today's super easy and super yummy recipe and you will consider subscribing to my channel. So we will meet here every Monday at 2 o'clock Italian time with a recipe in English, with a ketogenic video in English, but also on Wednesday with the same video in Spanish and on Friday in Italian. See you next week and have a great Halloween. And have a great low carb, high fat Halloween. My first suggestion is to invest a little money on paper napkins and spooky plates, so you will feel immediately in the mood, even eating Brussels sprouts, charcuterie or some scrambled eggs. Then try to be creative with your usual keto recipes, because salmon can become little ghosts and your frittata can be very scary too. Mozzarellas can be transformed very easily too, so you can prepare them for Halloween together with your kids. It will be a lot of fun. As you know, my daughter is on ketosis since she was 10 years old, and cooking together helped us to enjoy this second chance in life. So I hope you will enjoy it too. For all the recipes of these scary dishes, go to my Instagram account, because I'm doing a 3 weeks countdown for Halloween, posting every day some spooky keto ideas. Don't miss it!